Hello friends, welcome back to our Arduino basic tutorial series. Today we will see a very small but interesting characteristic of Arduino. Today we will use no external components, not even breadboard, to implement this simple project. When a push button switch will be pressed, the onboard LED will glow, and on releasing the switch, the LED will go off. This happens due to the input pull-up command. This command plays the most vital role. In the background, a 20 kilo ohm resistor from the input pin is pulled up to 5 volt. That means by default, the input remains high. When we press the push button switch, input pin goes to the ground potential. That means the input pin goes low. And the script reads the input pin and write either high or low to the output pin. You can find the code in the description. Also, the link is given in the description. In setup code, we simply make pin number 2 as input pull up, that will be the input pin, and pin 13 is made as output. Inside the loop code, we simply read the input, print that to the serial monitor, and write that to the output pin. Now I connected a single channel relay that can be directly driven by the Arduino. Relay needs only 3 jumper wires, VCC, ground and input. You can see the red light on the relay board when I connected VCC and ground. Input of the relay is directly connected to Arduino pin number 13. Since relay's input point is active low, when pin number 13 goes low, the relay operates and the green light glows. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.